In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this liquify effect in Photoshop. Let's begin. First things first, we are going to make a duplicate of this layer. Simply drag and drop on the plus icon to make another copy. So we can lock the layer below and let's go to select and choose subject. We are going to remove the background from the image. So you can now click on the mask icon to remove the background like so. Double click on the layer mask icon and follow these settings. Okay, now we are done. The next step, we are going to get rid of one layer and we are right click and we are going to convert this layer to the smart object. But before that, we have to add hue and saturation. Go to hue and saturation, change to old style, then lower the saturation to -100, and you can adjust a little bit of like brightness. Make sure it is clip masked, and that icon you have to make sure you click on it, and that's it. So now we are going to combine these layers into one. So right click and convert them to the smart object. So after that, we shall go to filter and choose liquify. So make sure show backdrop is not checked, and you can pick the first brush. You can follow the settings. And now click OK. As simple as that. So the next step, we want to make it so realistic. So we are going to add some shadows. So I'll go to the layer below, click once, and I'm going to add a new layer. So I will name this layer as shadows. And I'm going to grab my brush. I'll make sure the fill color is black and I'll adjust a little bit its size. You can always use square brackets to resize the brush. And I'm going to adjust a little bit of flow to make sure it is kind of thicker, like so. So I'll just brush a little bit, apply some shadows to make so realistic. So after that step, we shall add a layer mask on that layer to remove those dark parts along the eyes. So we want to make it like the eyes should be brighter, that part should be brighter than those two parts, actually between those two parts. So the eyes should be brighter. So what we are going to do, like I said, we are going to apply a mask. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click the like button and you can subscribe to see more of this. Peace.